Alright, so on this video I wanted to show you guys a little tool that you can get. These types of taps have always been great. I mean, I have a whole bunch of them in my toolbox, but they're pretty much standard. This one is metric, so I had to actually go out and get this. But the cool thing that I wanted to show you about this was it has a piloted nose on this, or the piloted tip. Like this one, for example, this one has like a really pointy tip there, and it doesn't really have anything to pilot it, and you kind of have to, you know, hold it straight as you're tapping. And when it comes to the Irwin, I mean, it really has that straight start in the beginning. I mean, it's straight there. That actually fits right in the hole. And it's perfect because this comes with the drill and the tap. So this matches the drill exactly, which is a number 9. This I paid only about, I think, $6.98, $7. It's not bad because I've already made over 50 holes with this thing. So it really comes in handy. Alright, gonna add a little bit of oil here for the cutting. And I mean, when it fits in there, it fits in there straight, just because of that tip. So all you really have to do is just drive this in there, and you really don't have to do much other than just turn it. And that's pretty much it. It was pretty easy to start that hole, just because of that tip right there. So these little Irwin Hansen taps come in handy. I mean, I haven't been able to find the set at the store. That's usually individual. But this Irwin is amazing. So anyways, I think that'll be it for this video, and I hope this helps some of you guys out there. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.